In this video, we're going to create a radial metallic texture in Adobe Photoshop. First, create a new document at 1920 by 1080 pixels with a resolution of 300 pixels per inch. Then click Create. Add a solid color fill layer and set the color to white. Then go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise, click Convert to Smart Object. Then, at the dialog box, set the amount to 320, Distribution to Uniform, tick the monochromatic checkbox, and click OK. Go to Filter, Blur, Radial Blur, set the amount to 95, Blur Method to Spin, Quality to Best, and click OK. Then, add a gradient overlay. Set the style to Angle, keep the blend mode as Multiply, set the opacity to 55%, tick the Dither checkbox, set the angle to 90, and the scale to 105%. Then open the gradient editor. Set the first and second opacity stops to 100%. Set the first color stop to 7E7E7E. Add the second color stop and change the color to white. Then add the third color stop and set the color back to 7E7E7E. Keep adding color stops until you have 9 stops total, alternating the colors as before. Make sure the last color stop is the same color as the first one. Then readjust the distance between the color stops if necessary. Then we're going to save the gradient preset by giving it a name and clicking New. So now we have a new gradient preset that we can apply to other things later. Then click OK to confirm. Then add a Curves adjustment layer and adjust the curve to get the contrast you need. Add a Levels adjustment layer and adjust the tonal range to your liking. Then group all the layers except the background and rename the group Radial Metallic Texture. Now, you might also want to apply the texture to a disc shape like what you see in the thumbnail of this video. To do this, create a circle shape with 900 by 900 pixels. Then make another circle with 100 by 100 pixels. Disable the stroke for both circles. Center them by selecting both layers, press Ctrl or Command plus A, then click Align Horizontal Centers and Align Vertical Centers. Remove the selection by pressing Ctrl or Command plus D. Then go to the Layer menu, Combine Shapes, Subtract Front Shape. Change the stroke to Gradient, apply the gradient preset you saved earlier, and change the style to Angle. Add a drop shadow, set the color to black, the blend mode to Multiply, and change the opacity to 30%. Adjust the remaining settings to your liking and click OK. Now select your radial metallic texture group, press Alt plus Ctrl plus E or Option plus Command plus E on Mac to create a composite layer. Move the composite layer above and clip it to the circle. Lastly, if you want to change the background, simply hide the radial metallic texture group, add a solid color or gradient layer below the circle, and tweak the color or gradient as needed. That's all for this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.